Tapos ngayon, sabihin ko sa inyo kung anong nangyari. Guys, pag-uwi namin, ayan. We are getting ready. Ayan, ayan na ang family. Ayan na ang fambam. Nakabihis na kami guys kasi aalis kami ngayon. It is 2:20 na siya ng hapon and ngayon lang kami makakalabas kasi we've been cleaning the house. Ayan, nalinisan ko yung kwarto as always. Ako yung sa mga kwarto, tapos si Mike is si Mike is yung sa ano guys, sa lunchroom tsaka sa kusina and tsaka sa bathroom. For sure, hindi pa niya nalinis yung kusina guys, but sabi niya mag-break muna kami kasi itong bata namin guys is na ano na siya, ang tawag dito, naboboard siya dito sa bahay ba, kaya ilalabas muna namin siya doon sa park. Hindi pa namin alam kung saang park kami pupunta guys kasi thanks the Lord, pwede nang maglaro sa mga park ngayon. Before kasi guys, kinose nila yung ano, yung mga park kasi nga sa COVID. Pero ngayon kasi pwede nang makaalis. Ayan na ang ating baby girl. Gubot na naman ang kulog.
Mommy, tissues.
Oh, shoes! What happened to your shoes? Oh, okay. We'll put it back again. So, pwede na siyang maglaro, guys, sa park. Oh, ito pa yung binili ko sa ano, guys. Oh, yung nag-shop ako ba. First time ko itong sinuot. Sa Puma, ayan. Hindi pala siya, ano, guys, crop top. Top, normal lang siya na top kasi nga very, ano tayo, guys, very shorty tayo. Kaya, yung crop top ay full size sa atin. But, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung outfit natin. So, ito yung suot ko, guys. Ayan, yung white na Puma shirt. Tapos, yung binili ko rin na Nike na tracksuit pants. Ayan. Ewan ko guys kung magpa-flats ako ngayon kasi medyo maginaw sa labas. So maybe I'm gonna put sneakers on. We'll see how it goes. But yan lang guys. Oh, bongga. Very casual lang tayo ngayong Sunday.
Yeah, we need to go in the car.
Check ka kasi ate oh.
Huh?
Come on, get in the car. It's open already. Andito na kami, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Very green lang siya. Pabukid muna kami. Guys, you know, it's only, 5 minutes drive galing sa bahay. So, ayan. Meron silang parang suba dyan, guys, oh. Murag sa amo lang bukid. Paris! Tapos, may bit-bit akong plastic bag, guys. Kasi, dito yung tubig ni Paris. Tapos may mga snack dyan. O, baka gutumin ba. Tapos yan yung park guys. O, last time nandito kami, close pa yun siya dahil sa COVID. Hindi pwedeng makapaglaro si Paris ba. So dyan lang kami sa gilid. Nagpiknik-piknik kaming tatlo. Ayan. Pero ngayon kasi okay na. Ayan o, meron mga kids dyan o. Pwede na makapaglaro si Paris dyan. Andyan, meron lang siyang walking, dyan, oh. Yung parang nasa gubat ka lang ba, mag-walking. Dyan. Really love it here, guys. Super peaceful. Mga lang yung maririnig mo, mga birds.
Alligator.
What's that, Nak?
Can you go on the swing?
What is that? Is it an alligator?
Alligator.
Daddy's on top of the alligator. Come on.
Come.
Go, Daddy.
It's okay. Come. Watch out.
It's okay. It won't. Yeah, it won't bite you. See, Daddy. Have a look at Daddy.
See? It's okay.
Come on. Oh, Mommy too. Ooh. It won't hurt. Come on. Come on, my brave girl. It won't hurt. I promise. Yan, hindi na siya natatakot guys oh. Sabi niya alligator.
That's a foot.
It hurts. Drama
Do it
mga
again?
kanak ay.
Tap. Hoy. Diba?
Piki. Walay. Hindi. Can you do it? Daddy will help.
Do you want Daddy to go down with Daddy? Okay, Paris.
Go, Paris.
What? Yeah, more babies.
Go, Paris. Woo! Great job, honey.
Yeah. Come back.
Ayan na nga guys, si Paris siya kasi Mike, ayan naglalaro lang sila oh. So andito ako sa bench, kain-kain lang ako guys. Relax ako habang si Mike nilalaro niya si Paris. I really love this one guys oh. Parang caramel ba siya guys, naalala ko kasi sa Pilipinas nung ano pa ko guys, elementary. Ayan oh, sarap niya guys, ang ganda-ganda talaga dito guys. Oh very I don't know, you'll find peace and serenity. Pero dumadami na yung mga ano guys, mga kids dito na naglalaro. Naririnig nyo ba si Paris sa background guys? Ang laki ng tawa niya guys. Nag-jacket pala ako guys, oh, kasi medyo maginaw ba. So meron pala tayong pag-uusapan this afternoon guys. So itong friend ko dito sa YouTube guys, Loli's Family. Hello Dai. So challenge niya ako guys. Sabi niya, gawa daw ako ng video nung katulad sa kanya na nahiya akong sabihin guys kasi I'm not really used to it, and at the same time hindi talaga ito yung topic na normally tinatopic ko dito sa mga vlogs ko. But since challenge niya ako, I am more than happy to accept that challenge guys. So I am going to talk with you now guys, yung first meeting namin ni Mike. So although nag-meet kami ni Mike dito sa Australia na guys, nagkakilala kami through Tinder, yung dating app. So nag-chat-chat muna kami sa app guys for a few weeks bago kami nag-meet up. So sabi niya guys, gusto niya akong ma-meet in person after a few weeks na pag-chat-chat. So yun yung nangyari guys, nag-meet up kami. As far as I can remember guys, I think ano yun, mga Friday night yun siya nung nag-meet kami. Kasi sabi niya sa dinner daw. So yeah, okay, I was fine with it. After work, I went home, got ready, and then I went to meet him for the first time. Nag-dinner kami. So I remember nag-dinner kami sa isang Korean restaurant, and he was very very sweet and gentleman. Kasi alam niyo yun guys, yung parang nag-open ng door para sa'yo, and then yung shoes ko before guys is meron siyang mga shoelaces, yung mga ganun, naandan yung lace. Tapos yung ginawa niya guys, sabi niya, sit down. Tapos nag-upo ako guys, tapos siya yung nag-fix ng aking shoelace. O diba, bongga si Kuya. First night namin yun na meeting. Tapos yun guys, kumain kami, nag-order kami ng ano, ng fried chicken, ganun-ganun. Tapos cheka-cheka kami ni Kuya. Yung na-feel ko guys, nung tinitigan talaga ako ni Mike, I felt like may pagnanasa talaga si Kuya sa akin. Haba ng hair ni ate guys. So, hindi talaga. The way he looked at me the first time and the way he looked at me right now, nothing has changed guys. Yun pa rin si Mike. Yun pa rin yung very sweet and gentleman na nakilala ko. Anyways guys, long story short, natapos na yung dinner namin, tapos na yung chikahan namin. Tapos sabi ko, it's really nice meeting you. Tapos, kasi akala ko guys, tapos na yun. Like, I thought like, that's it, we're done, we're going home, and then I don't know, maybe he'll ask me out again another night, another day. Tapos sabi niya, what are you doing, we're not done yet. Sabi ni Kuya guys, hindi pa daw kami tapos. So nung sinabi niya yun sa akin guys, my heart went oops. Kasi napaisip ako guys, sabi ko, bakit sinasabi niya na hindi pa kami tapos? Meron ba siyang pinaplano na hindi ko alam? O ano ba kayang nasa isip ng lalaking ito? Bakit sinabi niya hindi pa daw kami tapos? Sabi ko sa kanya, okay, so what's up? Sabi ko ganyan sa kanya. Tapos sabi niya, pupunta pa daw kami sa ano, sa isang beach sa Williamstown na medyo ano siya, mga maybe half an hour drive din siya guys. Uy, papunta doon. Tapos nga kasi winter yun guys. Ay, magwi-winter pa pala yun guys kasi May kami first nag-meet. Tapos, cold days na yun siya. Tapos, doon kami sa malapit sa dagat. So, may bench dun guys. Nakaupo lang kami ni Kuya doon. Parang nafe-feel ko na gusto niya kong akbayan. And he's really close to me. Pero yun guys, first meeting pa nga lang yun. Pero para sa akin, sabi ko, ay bakit may paakbay-akbay na si Kuya? Is first meeting pa namin is, bakit mo siya may ano na siya, may parang hold na sa akin. So naglakad kami papunta sa may tubig guys. And kaya nga kasi humangin siya ng konti, ganon, inakbayan ako ni Kuya. Sabi ko, feeling close naman to si Kuya, no? Kasi first time may akbay-akbay na siya. Guys, after that, we went home. Tapos na yun guys, mga ano na siya, mga midnight na siguro yun siya kasi daming checka namin. So nakauwi na kami guys. Tapos ngayon, sabihin ko sa inyo kung anong nangyari. Guys, pag-uwi namin, ayan. So, yung nangyari guys, pag-uwi namin is, wala. So that is so true, guys. Wala talagang nangyari sa amin ni Mike nung first na meeting namin. Hindi nga siya nakahalik sa akin, guys. Kasi si ate nyo, guys, is very virgin is. Nagpa-virgin pa si ate nyo, guys. But that's not really the reason, guys, na nagpa-virgin ako. Kaya walang nangyari sa amin ni Mike. Or bakit hindi siya nakahalik sa akin. He tried so hard, guys. Like, seriously, nag-uusap kami ngayon about that and we just laugh about it. Kasi si Mike, sobrang tawa niya, guys. Kasi he said, I've done everything na kaya niya daw para mahalikan ako. Pero ayaw ko raw talagang magpahal. The reason behind that, guys, is that was our first meeting. And gusto ko pa kasing makilala si Mike more. Yung parang deeper ba yung pagkakilala ko sa kanya bago ako magpahalik or bago ko siya halikan. Although nagkausap na kami ni Mike sa phone, palagi kami nagchat-chat like almost every day for few weeks. Still first time pa rin yun na meet up namin. So, wala talagang nangyari, guys. And alam nyo, guys, nung first meeting namin, so hindi siya nakahalik sa akin, no? Umabot pa ng 1 buwan, guys, yung panunuyo niya sa akin bago siya nakahalik. Kasi, tsaka ko na siya pinahalik, guys, nung naging kami na. So, when I said yes to him, sabi ko, yes, I can be your girlfriend, ganyan. Kasi tinanong niya naman ako kung pwede ba daw niya akong maging girlfriend. O, diba? Haba na naman ang buhok na Rapunzel, guys. Naipit sa elevator. Kasi tinanong niya naman ako, guys, which I really like the most about him. Kasi very, yung parang, anong tawag dun, guys? Uy, parang old-fashioned yung pagkaano niya sa akin, guys. Yung parang sinuyo pa niya ako, parang nag-date-date pa kami. Hindi talaga naging kami straight away nung pag-meet namin. Kasi kinilala ko pa talaga siya, guys, for a few weeks before ko sinagot si Mike. And then, nung sinagot ko na siya, guys, that was 28th of June, and magpo 4 years na pala kami next month, guys. Ayan. Nung sinagot ko siya, guys, tsaka pa niya ako nahalikan. So, to answer that question, guys, sex in the first meeting, no. Walang nangyari, guys. Very boring, guys, no? But when I look back, guys, I actually find it very, very exciting yung story namin ni Mike. Mike is a man. So, obviously, meron na siyang mga experiences before about girls and ganyan. Sabi niya, ako lang daw talaga yung naging girlfriend niya na nag-date sila for the first time tapos wala daw talaga siyang hindi daw talaga siya nakahalik. Kasi mostly daw talaga nakakahalik siya or may nangyayari sa kanila. Pero ako talaga is very different daw. And I still remember, guys, nung nag-date-date kami, dinadala niya ako sa park, tapos may full moon nun, guys, nagtingin-tingin kami sa moon, hinahawakan niya ako, tapos sabi niya, have a look at the moon, so beautiful, ganun siya, guys. Gusto niya talaga akong halikan, guys. Ay ngayon, si ate nyo, guys, ganun talaga ako sa kanya, guys. Oh, kasi ayaw ko magpahalik. Sabi niya, guys, parang magre-wrestling na kami. Pero alam niyo, guys, iba-iba kasi yung mga tao. So, I don't have anything negative to say para sa mga lovers na nag-jug-jug na, guys, sa first meeting nila. Kasi alam ko naman, guys, when you love each other, kasi mapugngan pang baha, guys, kaysa ingana nga feeling. Do whatever makes you happy and just be responsible with whatever na mangyayari after nyong maggawa ng kababalaghan. Kasi for all adults naman, guys, hindi na tayo mga underage, mga immature, na mga ganyan-ganyan. So when we're at the right age and we're responsible enough for our mga doings na to, then yeah, that's fine, go ahead. So yun lang yung chika ko, guys. Oh, so what do you think about that story, guys? Kayo? Tingnan ko muna si Paris tsaka si Mike. Good job, Baba.
Daddy's gonna get you now.
Tanawa siya, guys, oh. Tanawa siya, guys, oh. Awa. Oh, kung di siya awiran ni Mike, guys, she can get up there too.
Up. Okay, look, up.
No.
Kami na lang naiwan dito, guys. Ay, yung mga matatanda pala dyan.
Hello.
Yung mga bata umuwi.
I need ice cream.
Umuwi na kasi, it's gonna rain soon, Daddy.
Hold down. Hold this. Hold.
Uy, Paris, ikaw. Ano gina siya kurik? Ay,
Good girl.
Daddy.
Now let her, Bob. Hold. Bottom up. Yeah, up, yeah. Good girl. Push, push, push.
He's on na siya, guys. Like, very independent. Miss Independent, hello.
Daddy, come. Paris. Daddy, come. Look. Wait.
Hello, it's gonna rain soon na, Daddy. Come na. Follow Daddy na.
Come here. Up, up. You come up.
Ngano? She's thinking, Daddy, like, why would I use that if I can just walk straight?
Let's do it again.
You can. What a strong girl.
What's this?
Strong girl.
Oh, doctor, mommy.
Call the doctor.
Call the doctor, mommy.
Okay. Daddy, call the doctor, Daddy.
You call the doctor. You got the phone.
Hello, doctor.
Daddy's got to do this again now.
Paris is hurt, doctor. Where does it hurt, Nak? Where? There, okay. Her hand's hurting, doctor, she said. Is it okay now? Is it okay now? No, Paris is okay now, doctor. It's okay. She's drinking the water now. She's okay. We don't need you, doctor, anymore. Hello, everyone.
Thumbs up.
We're in the bush. Thumbs up. We're in the bush. Ayan guys, o tingnan nyo, nandito kami sa middle of nowhere.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up na.
Thumbs up.
Good girl.
Pauwi na tayo. Time check is 6:30 na ng gabi. Actually, kanina pa kami nakauwi. But, I had to charge my battery. Tapos, pinatulog ko si Paris. Ayun si Paris, nagdanap pa siya. Anyways, yun lang yung video natin for today. So, Day Elgin, sa Lolis Family, challenge accepted, Day. Yun, ginawan ko na ng video. So ngayon, yung i-challenge ko naman ay yung friendship natin dito sa YouTube na si Jess Shill and Amy and Anthony. So I challenge you both to do a video about this, may jug-jug-aa na ba sa first meeting. Wala talaga sa isip ko, guys, ang ganitong mga topic kasi nga, diba, it's out of my comfort zone. Pero nga, kasi challenge nga kami ng Lola's Family. Kaya ginawa natin, guys. And yun na nga, iba-iba naman talaga ang ating mga experiences pagdating sa mga ganyan. And magsha-shoutout na pala tayo, guys. First and foremost, parang love letter lang, guys. First and foremost. But shout out to our friendship, Jess Shill. Hello, Dai. I really had fun sa atong meet up. Hopefully, next time, not very far. Shout out to Joy. Shout out to Kenneth Halosho's vlog. Shout out to Scarlett Corpus, watching from Cagayan de Oro. Hello, Silingan. Shout out to Jedax Vlogs. M's Journey. Mirasol Dayaw, shout out. Shout out to Maria Biahera, Jun Ray, and Gina Gikan, hello. Shout out to Catalina Mempin, Gwen Christensen, Joy Pangan, Warren Valerio, Odessa Donghil, Marilyn Drudge, hello. Shout out to Rosemay Hewlin, Donna Ladera, shout out to Maribel Patiag, Rosette Pasyente, Red Sibial, hello, Dai. Shout out to Gina Soles, Aima Kisachi, Joanne Ambe, Rosemary Ramoir, Mary Jane Subere, Christine Joy Tabak, Mary Jane Torno, April Rose Romero, Cindy Tan, Lolis Family, hello, Dai. Sa nag-challenge sa ako, Dai. Like, bring it on, Dai. Basta napaka-challenge na lang. Shout out to Janet Gordon, hello, friendship, Catherine Sumahit, Raymac Arts and Crafts, Lizelle Iga, and Marife Cabanero. Thank you all, guys, for watching today's video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I really hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye!